Hi guys, welcome back to Lou's Beauty Closet. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Lou. I post weekly beauty videos. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. And if you're already subscribed, ring that bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Without further ado, let's get into it. So you might be wondering, Lou, you look different. I know, I do. I have a skull on my face. So it's spooky season. I wanted to try my hand at Halloween looks, so I picked a skull. I figured it would be fairly simple, straightforward to do compared to some of the really elaborate situations that people put out there. I'm pretty pleased with my first attempt, so if you keep watching, I'll show you how I got this look now. Alright guys, a different view again, so we're going to jump straight into this. This is the first time I've ever attempted any Halloween sort of look, so just bear with me. So I just bought a bunch of stuff. So this is a face palette, a face paint palette from Makeup Revolution. This is actually a special one they did for Pride, and I just loved the colours. They had another palette on Glam Raider is where I shopped the rest of my stuff. This one I got from Beautybay. Then I've got some SFX white bases, so I've got the white face paint in like a tube, and I've also got it in like, it's basically a bigger version of that palette. So this is 15 grams, this is 25 mils of paint. I've also got the Makeup Revolution baking powder, and I've got it in pure white, translucent, I think it is. No, it's actually white. This one's white, so I said that will be good to have. And lastly, I've also got the Makeup Revolution concealer in white. So I'm going to prime my face just to help things go on smoothly. I've got the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I'm just going to use that up. So I just want a barrier between all this face paint and my skin, but also just to help everything go on smoothly. And I am taking a big amount of any excess, and I'm just going to stamp it over my face. I just want to set my face, but I also want to help with the base. This NARS eyeliner, and it's the larger than life long wear eyeliner. It's in the shade VR Veneto, so it's basically a black, and I'm actually going to trace the outlines of the areas I'm going to shade in as black, and then I'm going to paint the rest of my face white. The bit I'm going to do is the sides of my face, so just doing some contours here. I'm just going to, bearing in mind, and I've left some of my hair because I want to see where my hair stops, so I'm just going to draw. I'm just trying to make sure it matches up as well. It's not going to be perfect, but you don't want it to be super asymmetrical. So I'm literally just going to go just above my brow because I want that space of white to fill in. And I'm just drawing like a rounded square, stopping here. Do the same thing on the other eye. So we've got the eye bits, we've got the corner shading, and then now we just need the jawline. Alright, so we've got a rough outline. So now I'm actually going to do the white paint first. I think I might play with this liquid paint and see how I go. And I'm going to take I've got a precision brush. I've got my concealer brush that I use from Sigma, and it's got like an arrowhead tip. So I'm actually going to use that to do the edging around all the black outlines I've traced, and then I can fill in with the bigger brush. I'm just going over this edge because we're going to contour, and it's okay if it's white because we're going to use colour. Black foundation brush, and I'm literally just going to fill in the gaps now. And I think I'm just going to go over my lips with it as well. Alright, I'm actually going to switch to my sponge just to help with the diffusion. My wing liner brush from Zoeva. We're taking the black shade and we're actually going to go over those lines. This is just a Zoeva face shape. It's just a round buffer. Next I'm going to try and go in with the purple just here. I'm going to go over the edges and see if we can blend the two. Okay, so I'm actually just mixing it. We're just free-handed, switching it up. I've got the Zoeva Petit Eye Blender, and I'm just going to use that to blend the black and the purple together. So I'm just gonna like stipple instead of buff. And then obviously it needs to be all over our eyes. Just being careful to be neat. Patching up with the white concealer. I'm actually just blending the purple into the black here. I'm going to take the Beauty Blender just to help diffuse that a bit better. The edges here, just gonna blend a bit more purple. Yeah, so the Beauty Blender's just helping me with that blend, just lightly. Alright, then we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just gonna put the purple along the edges of the black, interchange it with the black, and use the Beauty Blender to help me diffuse it. I don't mind it dirtying the white that we put here because we're also going to put black a tiny bit under our jawline just to help, and then we'll come back and do our nose bit. Just lost a bit of definition, so I'm just going to take some of that black and just go over the line. So it's just a lot of defining, redefining. I'm just taking the remnants of the purple and the Beauty Blender and just diffusing that edge that we did up here. Taking the remnants or whatever's on the beauty blender and popping it on the chin area. I'm going to use the chisel brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to dip into the black, but I'm also going to dip into the white and just do like a graduated blend. Draw a line and chisel it. Just draw along and blend it down. See how here now, because we used the beauty blender, we've still got the purple and the black, but it's made like a nice gradient. Do the nose. So we're going to take, because I've got quite a big bulbous nose, I'm only going to draw the nose part to this bit of my nose, to the tip. So we're going to draw a black line, outline here, do almost like an inverted triangle. Over it with the remnants of the purple from that Sephora brush I used around the eyes. Once we're done, we're going to go around the edges that need concealing. So we're going to take that wing liner brush and I'm just going to draw like lines, basically like teeth. I'm also going to actually draw a little bit in of my lips to black. So off camera, I did use the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara and the Ardell Wispy Lashes just to make it pop. But yeah, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do I look creepy? I like the purple. I really like, for my first go, I'm really impressed and really proud of myself. I do like the gradient I got with the contour in my face and the beauty blender. And yeah, maybe next year we'll do a whole month of looks and we'll try different looks and get practicing. Next time I think I could do some work on the teeth area, but otherwise I'm pretty impressed, pretty proud of myself for a first go. Comment below guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you'll be going out to Halloween, what makeup you'll be doing. Do you regularly do Halloween makeup? Is this your favorite time of year? I know some of you guys love spooky season. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. On your way out, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you back here again. Bye.